गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। अभी लास्ट लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने ये सीखा कि हाउ टू ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट द फ्रैक्शंस। कि फ्रैक्शंस आएगा तो उनको कैसे ऐड करते हैं और कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं उनके डिनोमिनेटर्स के एलसीएम लेकर के। बट अब एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद हम लोग सीखेंगे कि कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और कैसे डिवीज़न करते हैं। हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई द फ्रैक्शंस एंड हाउ टू डिवाइड द फ्रैक्शंस। सो फर्स्ट वन वी ऑल आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस। अब फ्रैक्शंस में मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन बाय अ होल नंबर। किसी फ्रैक्शन में किसी होल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना। 2/3 इज द फ्रैक्शन एंड इन दिस विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4। तो जब मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा तो दिस 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 4/1। So 2/3 into 4/1. So now simply we'll multiply the numerators. 2 into 4/3 into 1 is equals to 8/3 is the answer. If you wish to change this into mixed fraction, you can. This 3 to the 6, 7, 8, 2/3. Basically, this also I have discussed with you. Just I'm revising it, and then we'll start the division of the fractions. तो डिवीज़न ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन में भी इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस है, because after taking 1 or 2 steps in division we have to follow the same rule. So that's why we are revising this also here. So second topic है अपना कि multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. अगर किसी फ्रैक्शन को दूसरे फ्रैक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई करना हो, so here we'll do the same. 2 into 4 product of numerators upon product of denominators. That will get 4 to the 8 and 9th is the 27 is the answer. This is the proper fraction. That's we can't change in the mixed number. One more example we are taking. Suppose 14/3 into 27/7. So product of numerator 14 into 27 whole divided by 3 into 7. In this 14 and 7 is the common factor, so we'll reduce it. 7 2s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. And this 27 and 3 have a common factor 3, so we'll divide this both by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So in the numerator we have 2 into 9, 2 into 9, and in denominator we have 1 into 1. 9 2s are 18, and in denominator no need to write 1. After that हम लोग आज सीखेंगे रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन। यहाँ से हमारा मेन टॉपिक स्टार्ट होता है, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन। किसी भी फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल, तो इफ इट इज गिवन राइट अ रेसिप्रोकल of 2/3, reciprocal of 4/3, reciprocal of 9/2. So to write the reciprocal, just we have to interchange its numerator and denominator. So reciprocal of 2/3 will be 3/2. Reciprocal of 4/3 will be 3/4. So reciprocal will be 2/9. So to write the reciprocal, simply we have to interchange its numerator and denominator. Simply. This one is very useful when we'll perform the division of fractions. So let's start that one. We remember for the reciprocal, in division of fraction, first of all, here is given division. Some topics are there, how to divide a whole number by fraction, a fraction by a whole number, a fraction by a fraction. 3 points are there. One by one we all will discuss. So first, division of a whole number by a fraction means if this 10 is divided by 2/3. If 10 is to be divided by 2/3, so this 10 is the whole number and 2/3 is a fraction. So division of a whole number by a fraction means एक whole number को fraction से divide करना है. Whole number 10 and fraction 2/3. So simply, as I told you earlier, कि after performing one or two steps, we all apply the same rule whatever we had done in multiplication. So this can be written as 10. Simply change the sign of the division in multiplication. Multiplied, and this 2/3 will be 3/2. So now you see in this second step, so you are getting, it is converted into multiplication of numbers. So and this 10 also can be written as 10/1. So multiplication of fractions here. So now you know it very well how to perform this. 10 into 3 product of numerator upon product of denominator 1 into 2. This 2 and 10 has a common factor, that is 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 10. In numerator 5 into 3 and in denominator 1 into 1. So 5 3s are 15 and no need to write 1 in the denominator. One more example. Suppose we have to divide this 15 by 3/4. So simply this 15 we can write 15/1 and this division multiply reciprocal of this division. So after converting the division into sign of multiplication, just we have to write the reciprocal of the next number, whether it is a whole number or fraction. So we'll get 15 into 4 upon 1 into 3. This 3 and 15 has a common factor. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 5 into 4. No need to write 1 into 1 in the denominator. So 5 over 20 is the answer. After discussing the division of a whole number by a fraction, whole number को fraction से divide किया. अब हम लोग fraction को whole number से divide करेंगे. Division of a fraction by a whole number. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उन्होंने फर्स्ट पॉइंट लिया, किसी एक फ्रैक्शन को 10/7 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. One more example. 52 by 9 divided by 4. So this is the fraction dividing by a whole number. So simply as I told you कि भाई डिवीज़न को साइन जो डिवीज़न का है उसे चेंज कर देंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन के साइन में. So 10 by 7 into, and then after we have to write the reciprocal of the next number, that is 2. So here reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Now same process, you know it very well, product of numerator upon product of denominator. So 10 into 1 upon 7 into 2. 2 5s are 10. So 5 into 1 upon 7 into 1. So 5 ones are 5 and 7 ones are 7. This is the example. Answer. One more we are taking this one. So simply again we'll write 52 by 9, and now this is a symbol of division, so we'll convert this into a symbol of multiplication, and then after write the reciprocal of 4, that will be 1 by 4. Now product of numerator 52 into 1 upon product of denominator 9 into 4. This 52 and 4 has a common factor, that is 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. So we are getting numerator 13 into 1 and in denominator 9 into 1. So 13 ones are 13 and 9 ones are 9. This is the answer. If you wish to change this into mixed fraction, you can. चलिए चेंज कर देते हैं. 9 ones are 9 and 4 by 9. So 1 whole 4 by 9. तो ये था कि when we are dividing a fraction by a whole number. और इसके पहले हमने पढ़ा कि when we'll divide a whole number by a fraction. अब पढ़ेंगे division of fraction by another fraction. How divide a fraction by a fraction? There is this also. So the first example we are taking 12 by 7 dividing by 3 by 14. 90 by 24 divided by 3 by 8. These two examples we are taking, and here both are fractions and we have to divide this both. So we can write this 12 by 7 and this division, change this into multiplication, and then immediate we'll convert the next number. We'll write the next number as its reciprocal, 14 by 3. 12 by 7 as it is, into, and 3 by 4 the reciprocal, 14 by 3. Product of numerator 12 into 14 whole divided by 7 into 3. Check whether they have the common factor. Yes, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 4 into 2. No need to write 1 into 1 in denominator. So 4 to the 8 is the answer. This 8 is the answer. Next one. This is given. So simply we'll do again here 90 upon 24 into करेंगे इसे, and then we'll write the reciprocal of 3 by 8, that is 8 by 3. So product of numerator upon product of denominator. Find the common factor. This 3, 3s are 9, 0, and 8, 3 is 24. Again 30 and 3 is there, 30 by 3. So 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, 0, 10. This 10 is the answer. Now you will perform some more examples from a book. Good day.